How to change name on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Tech It Simple. Here, you will find quick and easy tutorial videos on a diverse range of topics. In today's video, I will show you how you can change your name on Pinterest. For that, open your Pinterest app or the website. Below, you will see some icons. There, click on the profile icon at the top left. Then, click on the top right button. Next, click on Settings. You will see the option that says Edit Profile. By clicking on Edit Profile, you will be guided to this space. Here, you can see first name. Clear it and write a new name here. After you type the new name, click on Done, and your name has been changed. This is how you change name on Pinterest. It's quite simple. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.